Good afternoon, visitors. The Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge is lifting to its full height of 135 feet for the departure of the Presque Isle. If you would like to see the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge lift to its full height of 135 feet, I invite you to go outside at this time. Departing the Duluth Ship Canal is the integrated tug, the Presque Isle. The Presque Isle is a self-unloading barge and integrated tug and was built in 1973. The tug was built by Halter Marine Services in New Orleans, Louisiana. And the barge was built in two sections by Defoe Shipbuilding Company of Bay City, Michigan, and Erie Marine of What you just heard is known as the Captain's Salute. It was the Presque Isle calling up to the aerial lift bridge, and the aerial lift bridge was calling back. Combined, the tug and barge measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 46 feet in depth. The tug is powered by two 7,400 horsepower 16-cylinder Blackstone diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. The barge is also equipped with a bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The Presque Isle barge has 27 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 71 by 20 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 57,500 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Presque Isle tug and barge system is owned by Duluth-based Great Lakes Fleet, a subsidiary of Canadian National Railway, and operated by Key Lakes Incorporated, also of Duluth. Fitting into a notch at the back, the Presque Isle tug is designed to operate with the barge for her entire career. The pair was built for $35 million for the Lytton Great Lakes Corporation, making their maiden voyage to Two Harbors, Minnesota in December of 1973. Two Harbors continues to be her normal port of call to this day. The Presque Isle is departing empty today and will be going to load iron ore pellets at Two Harbors. If you see any crew on board, be sure to give them a big wave and wish them a safe voyage.